guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm here and today we're going to be playing a flight game. It's basically a paper airplane game. I'm linking in the description to the website. So yeah, let's play it. Paper airplane.
This will probably be the stupid server.
Okay, so let's zoom in a bit. Okay, there we go. One more. Okay. Let's go to new game. Assault 1. And we're gonna skip this.
What do you mean?
So basically what you do is you pick it up and you throw it. And space. And we're stalling. So the basic point of this game is to get more money. So it says you have 25. And you can buy more upgrades. So I'm actually going to color my plane. I usually do it like that and that. What? I might do green. Yeah, black and green are my channel colors, so I'll do that. Oh, there we go. That's nice. That was a nice throw.
So wouldn't that be one of your villains?
If you hit the windmill, you kind of go up. Okay, so I'm actually waiting until I get the rudder control because that's actually a lot better.
Oh my god. Fell off.
Yes. We keep hitting the cranes. If we hit 5 cranes, then we get an achievement. Oh, okay. These are really good, but I need to save up, so let's keep going. That's nice. We're getting lots of money. Okay, that's what we need.
Get up.
There we go.
Ooh, one's... What's a who's go?
Alright. Now we can get that. We throw the plane. And boom.
I've already got it here, skip, but it's got void energy.
Oh, we almost hit the windmill. $201 that time. That's what we need, okay. I've actually played this before and beat it multiple times, so it's not new to me. So yeah, we're just gonna keep going. Keep going. That's basically the point of this game. Is to just keep going and getting more money. There's actually like here 6 stages, and each time you throw the plane it's a day.
I like this one. Now, not by myself though, it's hard by yourself.
Can we hit a windmill? Yep. There we go. That sucks.
It's not showing me where the...
Okay, I get the better model, and that's what it looks like. It just changes your plane shape, and it makes it fly further, and it gives you more fuel. And we're off.
I don't know where these other ones are, so I can't get to them.
So it basically gives you more fuel.
Wait, I think I did.
And
Yeah, okay, there's something sticking out here.
Fly longer. 108. And that was pretty good. I think we might get more money.
That's too much to ask.
Can we hit a wind up? Can we hit it? Nope. 154. Gonna save up for that. It costs $820. Oh, we almost hit the window. I saw it.
I can't see the freaking beams to go to the plane.
We need to get that, so we'll be able to get that next time.
We're so stupid.
Keep going.
What you calling that?
Keep going. Keep going. And we have it. Okay, so
and
now
that was a waste of grenade.
Now,
Ain't
every
me
time
either.
we hit a crane, we get a boost from it. So I feel like that's really important. Look, watch. Oh, we almost hit it. Okay, if we hit a crane. If we hit a crane, that would be awesome. No, we're not going to. Oh, we got super close. Alright, let's just keep going.
Okay, apparently it's immune to everything.
And we'll go with lightweight. Twice, because we're savages. Oh, there we go. We hit a crane and it gave us a boost. Oh, did you hit? Gave us another boost. There, another boost. See, that's really what you need to get, because now you can keep going and hitting more cranes and you get further.
Come on, spawn a bunch of stuff so I can shoot them and blow them up. One or two.
We almost got our highest. Now we level up
Ooh,
and we just skip.
not like that.
Don't care.
Getting beat on.
So now we're going to go with, we're just going to keep saving. Now we're in a different place because we leveled up. I'm just going to start it off with that and get us super high in the air so that we can hit cranes and just keep going forever. Hopefully we'll hit a crane. No? Okay. No? Okay. This game don't like me. Let's just keep going. Fire engine. Fire engine's really good to get because it makes you have more fuel.
Agreed.
There you go. Boom. High flyer. Boom. Boom. Just gonna keep getting. We just got an achievement.
Agreed.
Wow.
Agreed.
That's the fastest I've got 3 achievements. I think it's 3. I don't know. Star stuff. Crane. 20 stars. Oh my gosh. We're getting so many achievements. Oh my.
Good for you. Nobody cares.
Oh my. We got almost 500. Look at this. We just got all these achievements.
3 is really the only one that I was
Okay, so
worried
we
about.
got 20 stars, high flyer,
Yeah,
lift off,
proving to be
profit,
garbage.
bird hunter. That's a lot. Actually, we need to wait for that. 3,000, but it's super good. I've got it before. It's a mystery, so I'm just not going to tell y'all. If y'all want me to make this series, just put it down in the comment section below, and I will be sure to do that. Yeah, so let's keep flying. Come on, can we hit a crane? Oh, there we go. Let's get back into it. Come on, can we hit it? Oh, no, nope. We got a lot of achievements last time. Okay, better model. Okay, I'm not going to use all of it this time. See? Boom, boom.
My left, my right thumbstick is messing up. I can cut really hard to the right. Yeah, but to the left it barely turns. It's like it doesn't register as much.
Come on, go. Yes. Okay. That's good. We need to hit some more stuff though. We got money. We don't need that money right now.
Well, I mean,
we just need to
it
hit
came with the
Xbox.
Xbox. I didn't buy the controller itself.
Dang it. Wait. Okay, that's fine.
I've got the Elite with the terabyte in it.
Okay. We don't have
Although
anything.
I've used most of the memory.
We're just gonna use all of our fuel at the beginning now.
Yeah, but you got what? An external hard drive on yours?
Oh my gosh.
How much does it come with though?
So far down. We went so far down so fast.
Xbox.
Here we go. There we go. Can we hit a... Oh, we almost hit a
Garbage has in it now.
Or that one. No, that would have been good too.
And now it's got Hard Light, Darcy, Forward Clip Coil, Sweet Business, Tractor Cannon, Sun Bracers, and Wings of Sacred Dark. Hard Light would probably be the only one I'd be interested in.
Alright. Let's just keep going.
Because you can change its
So, We're just gonna keep going, like always. Oh, we actually hit a crane. That's good. Can we hit anything else? Like another crane. Or a star. There we go. There we go.
And I've got the
we almost hit that one. No, right there. Nothing else we can get. We have 1,159. Save for 3,000. There we go. That's pretty good.
Are we going to the tower by chance? Sweet, I need to pop this, see if I can get the hard lot. Which, that's the one I want, so I probably won't get it. I will. Even though I've got like 3 of those.
There we go. A little bit still left.
I got a minute, come on.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, we scammed the windmill. I'm not gonna get that. I need to save my money. One time I got like 20,000 in one flight. It was awesome.
That wasn't even in there!
Sorry, guys. I think so. Let's keep going.
Starfire
Can
Protocol.
we hit anything? There we go.
You said Dawnbreaker sucks, so.
Aw, that was okay. Rainbow stars. I would get that, but I'm saving it. It takes 1,750. That would take all my money. I need to get 3,000, guys. After that, I'll get rainbow stars. We're probably not going to finish the game in one episode. Actually, this is going to be a challenge. So we have to finish this whole game in this whole episode, and we're going to see how long it takes. Wow, we're hitting a lot of cranes. Sorry, my microphone's right in my face.
Good luck. That's what you needed, wasn't it?
Let's just keep going. Come on. Oh, we got really close.
I missed 2 legendary. I don't even know what it is.
Leveled up again. We're going to Africa. Got $2,000. We only need about 1,000. There we go. That's pretty good.
I had 2 legendary Ingrams that had dropped. I didn't even know I was there. They're in my mail.
Oh, doing pretty good. We might be able to get the last 1,000 in this. Well, not like
I was actually gonna head to the store.
Alright, so just
Going to get you cigarettes.
But yeah.
Sometimes. That's cool.
400, guys. We can get it in this last go.
That Alliance guy's a goonslinger. Easy.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Can we get this?
Yeah, but you wanted what you got.
We need about $100-something till we can. $110. We got this, guys. Let's go. We got it. We have to have got it. There's no way we didn't get it. Look, we've already got it. We've already passed it, I betcha. We'll just like not get it now that I said that though. Bro, we got it. We got it. We definitely got it. We definitely got that. What happened? Oh, whoa. That scared me. Here we go. Y'all saw the screen black out, did y'all not? Okay. There we go. Over $700. There we go. Y'all ready to see it? Let's go. I'm just gonna toss it up in the air and fly away, and then once we hit the ground, y'all see what the surprise
Grab it.
is. And those of you who have already played this, y'all already know but no spoilers, alright? No spoilers. And if y'all have played this and you haven't got there yet, boom. So next time y'all play, y'all should probably save up to get 3,000 so you can get this. It's
That's actually
really
pretty
good.
freaking cool.
What my uncle said. Pretty freaking cool. Look at this. I'm a penguin. Who doesn't like penguins? You know, like I can't use my fuel, but like, it's a penguin. It's flying. Oh my gosh. I couldn't even get this many if I was flying. Oh my gosh. I don't know what happened. Oh, okay. We got 314 just by doing that. So yeah, okay, we're gonna get that as many times as we can. And we're going to get that.
This must be somebody's.
That's all we're gonna do for now, because that's all the money we have. I like doing that because it just gets us high ground, like, look. Okay, let me retry it. Look. So what you do is you just throw it on the ground like that. And then you fly down. And boom. You go so high. And it's literally not even funny.
You probably will.
Boom. 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 It always works, guys. I suggest y'all go play this game. Link in the description to the website. And this is on Learn for Good. It's a website that I play all the time. It's really, really fun, and I suggest y'all go check it out. And yeah, follow them on all their social medias, which are like right here and right here. 600 that time.
49.
1,900, guys.
There it is.
We're not gonna
Yeah.
play this till the very end.
What did you do?
Because we don't have like the time to do that. Because I'd be here all night. Because literally it takes way too long.
Got it.
So I'm probably going to fly a few more times because it's been 17 minutes. Once it hits 20 minutes, I'm going to end off the video. This is what I just saw up there. It's like the little edit thing that I accidentally put it. Bruh, we're getting really lucky with these windmills.
I have healing down.
Transform. Some of them aren't that great. Like that one, it's not too great, but I mean, it's helps, you know. Okay, we're gonna play until we have enough for the new transform so that y'all can see it. I mean, I've got all the transforms before, but just for y'all.
You got it.
Let's just go straight up. Because look, you get some
Are you gunslinger now or
just go
no?
straight down. And sometimes you can hit windmills. Oh, I got so close to a windmill. But it makes you bounce really high.
I'm gonna look at it and see what it does.
But yeah, I think we might have got something. At 128.
Ah, good shot.
300 and something more. I did not mean to do that. Whoa, okay, yeah, maybe I didn't mean to do that. Oh my god. Oh god. That was actually really good. Glad I did that. 240. These are better.
No,
Let's
you
get
want
them.
cigarettes.
Let's watch.
Well, hey, you got one of the helmets that you wanted. Now all you need is the boots. Which,
Boom.
when you shot that
You
thing,
get
that
money
was
from
retarded.
plus they freaking
Yeah, full health
make
and
you
then
go
less than a
faster.
third.
So, I mean, I don't get why I wouldn't get them because it just helps you get more money. So, I mean,
I was just
feel
looking
like
at it and it's helped
I
us
feel
drop.
like I did a good
What
thing
the
because
crap?
now we can
'Cause I didn't
get
see
that
anything
faster
happen.
and have both of them.
Nothing happened.
And
Its
it would
health
be faster
just
than what if
dropped.
I did the other one first. So.
What the crap just happened? The game glitch?
Yeah. It's almost been 20 minutes, as y'all can see at the bottom if you click on your screen. So, I'm gonna end once I get the new form, and I will do a second video to this. And yeah, because this game is very, very fun, and I love playing it. But yeah, I've actually completed it a few times. Super fun to play. Boom. I love it. It's just so addicting. Just sit here and watch your plane go. For like ever. Once you beat the game, it's so much faster.
That's also a lot. Maverick full flavors. No.
Alright guys, we finally bought it. Here's what it looks like. You customize it. That looks pretty cool actually. It looks like fire. Fire! Let's try a few more designs. Maybe. Two different. Regular is fine. Maybe. No, I didn't go like that. But yeah, let's fly it one more time. Just for the sake of it. Once we land or stop, we're going to end the video, and I will finish in another video. So yeah, let's just let it fly down to the ground. Just keep flying. Flying. Oh my gosh. You try so hard, but you don't succeed. Oh, you bounced over that one. Dang it. This video's gonna go on forever. It's never gonna stop. That's my luck. It's just gonna keep going forever. Whenever I don't need it to. Oh, it actually stopped. I almost got $1,000 that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. And today's video is over. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.